Have you ever thought about how important exercise is for seniors, particularly swimming? It's not just about keeping fit, but also maintaining a good quality of life. As we age, our bodies naturally change, and this can sometimes limit our ability to engage in certain exercises. But swimming, a game changer. It's a low-impact and non-weight-bearing form of exercise, making it a perfect fit for those with sports injuries or conditions like arthritis. Swimming isn't just about staying active, it's about enhancing quality of life. There are 6 significant benefits of swimming for seniors that can transform their health and well-being. Firstly, swimming is a wonderful form of pain relief. It's low impact and non-weight-bearing, making it an ideal choice for those grappling with conditions like knee osteoarthritis and fibromyalgia. By moving in water, seniors can enjoy an improved quality of life, free from discomfort. Secondly, swimming promotes flexibility. The water offers a perfect environment for a full range of motion, helping seniors maintain and even enhance their flexibility, making daily activities easier and more enjoyable. Thirdly, swimming is a comprehensive workout, engaging all major muscle groups. This results in stronger muscles, which in turn reduce the risk of falls, a common concern for older adults. The fourth benefit is that swimming is great for heart health. Regular dips in the pool can reduce the risk of coronary heart disease and type 2 diabetes, lower blood pressure, and even raise good cholesterol levels, offering a wealth of cardiovascular benefits. Fifthly, swimming is also a social activity. Participating in group swimming sessions can alleviate feelings of social isolation and depression, making seniors feel more connected and happier. Lastly, swimming can improve sleep quality and reduce stress and anxiety. The calming effect of water, combined with the physical exertion of swimming, can lead to better, more restful sleep and a serene state of mind. Each of these benefits contributes to promoting overall health and well-being in older adults. To recap, swimming provides a multitude of benefits for seniors. It's a form of exercise that's gentle on the body, making it an ideal choice for those dealing with sports injuries or conditions like arthritis. Not only does it help with pain relief, but it also improves the quality of life for those struggling with knee osteoarthritis and fibromyalgia. Swimming is a full-body workout that engages all major muscle groups, leading to stronger muscles and a reduced risk of falls. It's also a great way to keep the heart healthy, potentially lowering the risk of coronary heart disease and type 2 diabetes, and even helping to maintain good cholesterol levels. But the benefits of swimming extend beyond the physical. Participating in group swimming lessons can alleviate feelings of social isolation and depression, helping to foster a sense of community and camaraderie. And let's not forget the impact on mental well-being. Swimming can enhance sleep quality and reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of overall health and tranquility. Swimming is more than just an exercise. It's a way to enhance the golden years of life.